Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I tone these blonde highlights to ash blonde, and as you keep watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. Thank you. So what you'll need for this process is your Wella toner in T18, then your developer in 20 volume. In the directions of the Wella toner, it said that you should use 20 volume to mix it. Then you need your mixing brush, a spoon. If you're not going to use everything, I use a spoon to measure. Then your gloves. It's important to use your gloves because you're dealing with chemicals. So the measurement of mixing Wella toner and developer is 1:2, meaning if you're using 1 spoon of Wella toner, you need to use 2 spoons of developer. So if you're using 2 spoons of Wella toner, you use 4 spoons of the developer. So I'll be adding the mixture to the highlights only. You can always do it all over the hair. Normally I'll do that, but I had only 1 bottle of the toner, so I was managing it and I did not want to use everything at once, so highlights only. So how to know if the toner is working is when it turns purple. It means it's processing, it is working. If it doesn't turn purple, then it is not working. So you see in the highlights that it's working now. It kind of darkened the shade, but that's not how it looks after you rinse it off. It's just showing that it's working. It's turning purple on these strands. Please, when rinsing off your toner, make sure you condition it properly. When the hair is wet, sometimes I'm unable to tell if a color or a toner has worked for the hair till it's dry. So I waited for it to get dry and I could see the difference from how it was before. So now it's looking ash blonde. I was happy about how it looked, but you can't really tell till you style your hair and do everything. And this is the finished look. Let me know if you like how this wig turned out, and if this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and comment your opinion about this wig. Also share to anyone you think that has been having this ash blonde struggle. I know it's a struggle to get that perfect tone of blonde highlights. Some people want platinum, some people want ash blonde, but yeah, you can just share to anyone you think has been struggling with these blonde tones. Yeah, and also let me know what other content you like regarding your wigs, any struggle you've been having with your wigs. I can help make a video on it and post to help make your wig life better. Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe. It's very important to subscribe. Thanks.